let's get you started to attach the embroidery unit and what you need to have set up and out for getting started. So first off, I've pulled out of the accessory box the R-foot, my screwdriver, my multi-purpose tool for changing needles, and an embroidery needle to have all close by because we're going to set, and an empty bobbin because we're going to start doing that. I'm going to set this accessory box aside. You need to pull that off and set that up there. Now, on the back of the embroidery unit, mine is already out, but flip it over for the very first time that you open it. If it's not attaching or moving, it's because there's a red clip in here. So if your dealer did not already pull that out, you just want to clip it, and then I discard it. You don't need it really at all for anything. Then there is a place, this is the part that actually attaches. Look at the back part of the machine. There is a little hole back here, and here there's an opening. You need to flip this open. The little door needs to be open, and then the embroidery unit will actually attach properly. So let's go ahead, we'll slide that all the way on. Also lower your feed dogs down while you're down here, and then they'll be down for later. As soon as you plug it in, give it a good push, and you'll see the embroidery unit will be recognized by the machine, and it will kind of reset and send you into the embroidery mode. This message comes up every time you turn the machine on, so don't put any hoops on until you're absolutely ready. It says calibrate embroidery unit. Remove the hoop, yes, so if you have a hoop on there, you got to take it off every time you turn it on. Clear the embroidery arm. In other words, move your soda that's back here, your cat that's sleeping back there, because things are going to move. And it says snap on the embroidery presser foot. So let's do that by touching OK. It's going to reset, and now that little extra noise is normal. A lot of people go, oh no, it sounds like it's going to break. Nope, that's normal. It's recalibrating each time you turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead and start by putting on my R foot that has the little part that is actually kind of sticking up that goes in front of the white ankle, and then we'll get into, and then let's do this, the embroidery USB stick. We're going to go ahead and plug that in, and once you touch OK, it will recognize it, and it will show you little folders 1 through 7, 8 through 17. Those are the embroidery built-in designs. If you pull that out, doesn't matter. It'll just tell you, hey, I can't see anything. And I actually like to tie that onto the top of my embroidery arm, and nothing actually moves. Now, the USB stick that comes with the machine will work great. If you find yourself working with other USB sticks, you might keep in mind you want one with like a 1 gig size. Try not to put too much on. I mean, it will hold a lot, but you got to scroll through quite a few things. So once you're done with them, you can delete them or use a different USB stick. So usually it's not a problem. You can really just use one, but if you're working on a specific project, you can load that up on a separate one if you would desire. Okay, so we're going to get started on how to hoop our fabric, attach our hoop, and how to thread the machine for embroidery.